paves the way for Cadillac's all-electric future. The challenge we had was how do we keep moving forward and how do we take Cadillac into a new direction where people see it as still a Cadillac, but very much a future-forward vision for Cadillac.
Attention to detail with the edges, the surfaces, the fits, the finishes, the selection of materials. We've thought several layers deep in terms of how we want to communicate what the future of Cadillac promises to the customer.
It is a designer's dream to start with an all-new architecture. It takes up less space. It allows you to have the freedom to design this interior the way you want from start. We wanted to have clean, simple design. The foundation allows for great proportions.
We wanted to reinvent the crest in a way that looked very technologically advanced, but had a very jewelry and bespoke appearance.
My ultimate goal was to make this hands down the best Cadillac SUV that anyone has ever seen.
Other driver-focused technologies including Super Cruise, active noise cancellation, and KeyPass digital vehicle access will all be part of the LYRIQ experience. A 33-inch diagonal advanced LED display and a 19-speaker AKG studio audio system with headrest speakers should handle infotainment requests. 20-inch alloy wheels will be standard, while 22-inch reverse rim alloy wheels will be optional. Cadillac will start taking LYRIQ reservations in September, with the first vehicles going to customers in early 2022. The LYRIQ is priced starting at $59,990 and will be built in Spring Hill, Tennessee. GM recently announced its Ultium Cells joint venture with LG Energy Solution will invest $2.3 billion in a new battery cell manufacturing plant in Spring Hill. Cadillac said the 2023 LYRIQ will have a range of over 300 miles from a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack. The rear-wheel drive Ultium platform that the LYRIQ will ride on will produce 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, Cadillac said. A performance all-wheel drive version is expected later as well. The new EV will offer an onboard charging module capable of up to 19.2 kilowatts, which will allow up to 52 miles of range for each hour it's connected to a compatible Level 2 charging station. The 19.2 kilowatts onboard charger will be a standard feature on the first release trim and an optional feature on other trims, said LYRIQ Chief Engineer Jamie Brewer. DC fast charging will also be available, and at a 150 kilowatt station, the LYRIQ will fill up 76 miles of range in about 10 minutes. Once they're back on the road, drivers will be able to control the way the EV slows down through variable regenerative braking levels that can offer one-pedal driving. The LYRIQ was first revealed in concept form last August. The production model will arrive in the first half of 2022 and, according to GM, it's going to be awfully similar to the concept. The concept car used slightly bigger wheels than the production model, for example, and the door construction is slightly different, but other than that there aren't many exterior changes, said Andrew Smith, Executive Director of Global Cadillac Design. There are two main differences in the interior: 5 seats in the production model instead of the 4 seen in the show car and, of course, more cup holders in the production model. Buyers will get the choice of 2 exterior color options at launch: satin steel metallic or stellar black metallic, and 2 available cabin hues, sky cool gray or noir. Inside, a massive 33-inch LED display sits front and center on the dash, able to recreate over 1 billion colors. The LYRIQ also comes with active noise cancellation and a 19-speaker audio system with headrest-mounted speakers.
The LYRIQ is built on a new modular electric vehicle platform powered by Ultium. The crown jewel of the Ultium system is the battery cell itself, where our strategy is to use the fewest number of the largest cells possible. These cells are then packaged into modules. This system is a simple, lightweight, and a space-efficient solution, which enables us to optimize the battery energy storage and the layout for each vehicle design. The Ultium propulsion system will be launching with a state-of-the-art NCMA chemistry. This is a new chemistry where we've taken a standard nickel, manganese, cobalt chemistry, and we've added aluminum. The addition of the aluminum allows us to increase the nickel content and decrease the cobalt content, which gives customers more range at lower cost.
Range is critically important when selecting an EV. We've designed LYRIQ to achieve 300 miles of range on a full battery charge.
We will also offer both a level 1 and a level 2 AC charging, as well as DC fast charging capability to make sure that the concern of range and the concern of charge time is not something that will ever get in the way of the Cadillac customer being able to enjoy their driving experience.
Subscribe to Auto TV.